Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show and tell how to hide subscribers in Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. Then we open the profile. And if we want to hide our followers, then the first thing you need to do is in the top right corner, click on the bars. And then you'll find the account privacy. And we need you to close it. Switch to private. After that, the person can't access your account, so they won't be able to click on subscriptions. And the second way is we can find someone, and if they're following us, and we know they're looking at our hidden subscriptions, we can just select that person, click on the three bars and block them. And then they can't access our profile. They can't see our subscriptions, likes, posts, and so on. These are the two ways you can do it. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you very much for watching. See you again. Goodbye.